You're not lazy, you're haunted, not by ghosts, by every version of yourself you buried to survive. You scroll for hours, not because you're numb, but because you're avoiding the resurrection. And I'm the one voice you hoped would stay dead. I'm the dark light mentor. I don't motivate, I possess. I don't whisper affirmations. I burn illusions. And tonight, I'm crawling through your headphones to dig up the truth you buried under "I'm just tired." You think motivation is what's missing. It's not. What's missing is permission to go feral. Permission to not explain yourself, not dilute your ambition, not bow to the cult of chill productivity that rewards you for being organized while you're dying inside. You were never meant to be balanced. You were meant to be obsessed, but the world keeps mistaking your volcanic energy for dysfunction. And now so do you. You call it procrastination. I call it spiritual protest. Your soul knows when you're chasing crumbs. It knows when you're lying about your standards. That's why you can scroll for 5 hours straight and still feel more tired than a coal miner. You're not lazy, you're caged. And every lazy moment is your deeper self refusing to run another lap in a race that ends in a brick wall. The brain doesn't disobey because it's weak. It disobeys when the orders make no damn sense. Here's your first test. Name one thing you've been putting off that you know would change your life, but terrifies you because it would also change your identity. That's not a to-do list item. That's a ritual waiting for you to break the curse. Start it, not when you feel ready, not when Mercury's in reverse or your sleep tracker approves. Start it badly. Start it as a rebellion against the version of you that waited to be in the mood. The second part of the test, you'll have to earn it. Because the truth is, if you actually did the thing that haunts you, the thing you say one day about, your whole life would have to rearrange around the new version of you. Friends would vanish, comfort zones would collapse, your excuses would go extinct, and you'd finally realize laziness wasn't your problem. Cowardice was, but it's okay. Courage is built exactly where laziness once lived. Comment below. What's the one thing you've been pretending you'll do later, but deep down you know it's your portal to everything real? No filters, no fake urgency, just the truth? Drop your answer below, if you dare. And if this didn't just poke you, if it punched something loose and left your comfort zone bleeding, you already know what to do. Like, subscribe, slap that bell icon like it's your final warning before everything you used to be burns. Because we don't do vibes here. We do volcanic awakenings. No incense, just ignition. Next time, I'll show you exactly what happens when the so-called lazy one stops negotiating with their fire and becomes limitless. But fair warning, the people around you won't clap for it. Because the moment you rise, they lose every excuse to stay small. Your glow will expose their shadows, and not everyone wants to see that. So if you're still married to mediocrity, run. But if you're ready to wake up with blood in your purpose and venom for every lie that kept you tame, stay close. The war against lazy ends tonight, and you just picked up your weapon.